Hello everyone, my name is Mashko Ali. If you use CIT Bank and need to transfer money, you might wonder, how long will it take? Don't worry, in this video, we will make it super simple. We will talk about different transfer options like internal transfers, ACH, external bank transfers, wire transfers, and even Zelle. And most importantly, we will explain how fast each one works so you know what to expect. See, the time it takes to transfer money from CIT Bank depends on the method you are using. There are several ways to transfer money from CIT Bank, such as internal transfers, ACH, external bank transfers, wire transfers, and even Zelle. Each type of money transfer takes different amount of time. Let's first talk about internal transfers. On the CIT Bank official website, it says, to move money between your CIT Bank accounts, simply sign in to your account online or in the CIT Bank mobile app. Select Move Money, then Transfers. An internal transfer means transferring from CIT Bank to CIT Bank, and this type of transfer is usually instant. If there's a technical issue, the transfer might be delayed slightly. But it is almost always instant. Next, let's talk about electronic fund transfers. On the CIT Bank official website, they say funds may take up to 2 business days to be deposited to your account and may be subject to a hold. So, if your amount is not put on hold, it usually gets transferred within 2 business days. Now let's talk about wire transfers. Wire transfers also usually take about the same time. Next is Zelle. If you use Zelle, CIT Bank supports it. Zelle is a money transfer system that usually sends your money within a few minutes. If there is no technical issue, the money transfer is always instant. Now coming to ACH. ACH is a money transfer method often set up for automatic payments like salary or bills. If we scroll to the bottom of the official website, it says, for funds deposited by an automated clearinghouse ACH transaction you initiate with CIT Bank, we may place a hold on such deposited funds for a period of 5 business days. It is typical for banks to put a hold on incoming funds to protect you and the bank from possible fraud. So, as you can see, money transfers from CIT Bank can take different amounts of time depending on the method used. For more information, you can contact CIT Bank customer support.